The Performance Analyzer allows you to compare your KPI data over time to see why your metrics are changing. So on your dashboard, under Account Performance, Performance Analyzer is where you'll find the tool. So first you select your campaign type, search, display, shopping, and so forth. If you want to compare campaign experiments for those campaigns, you can include the campaign experiments. Now, which campaigns do you want to choose? Enabled and paused, enabled only, and then you could choose campaign names or even labels to include only a few campaigns. Now next, what's our comparison period? Yesterday, last 7, last 30. We can also do a custom time. And then once we choose our comparison period, we want to say, what are we comparing it to? The previous period, so in this case, last 30 versus previous 30. Same period last year, so a year-over-year comparison, or we can also do a custom time comparison, which is useful if you're doing two customs. So once we choose what we're comparing, we can choose compare. And then we'll see a visual representation of how the data has changed. So if search volume dropped, which would cause impressions to drop based upon impression share changes and ad range changes, and then what their influencing factors are, and so forth. And so there's a lot of data you can quickly interpret to understand why metrics are changing over time. Now with these, we can click on these bullet icons to drill into the individual campaigns and their changes, and then even the ad groups in that campaign to quickly see, okay, this ad group changed by 2% and this one is 3%. That's two of our largest drops, and then some of these others have gone up. And so if you need a quick snapshot to understand why metrics are changing, the Performance Analyzer is a great tool to use. If you need more information on really why these metrics change and how they're related, on our blog, under the Performance Analyzer category, which you can easily find on the side of the page, we have a lot of articles that really go into depth on why metrics are changing to help you understand and interpret all the data you'll see.